Okay, my dear artist, what do you think about this design? Isn't it just absolutely exceptional? I'm using Sharpie, and I could leave as is with just Sharpie. And then I added with the end of my brush red dots, like this, or white dots, like this. As far as my movements, they're again very loose, and I'm gonna do the circle with dots and then just moving around. You can see there is no specifics actually, it's just completely playful movement like this, very loose, and some dots, very loose, some a little bit reminding of leaves. And that's all to it. This one is really extraordinary, highly creative and beautiful design. I wish you good luck.